You ready to get this day started?
Yep. You got the cooler.
Check.
Got the snacks.
Check.
Got the directions.
Check. I got my handy dandy clipboard. You want me to load up these directions?
Yes, I do.
You know, I can never get these to work right.
Here, babe. Let me help you with that.
Thanks, babe.
Okay. So open the camera on your phone and take your directions and hover over the directions, and you'll see the little yellow right there that says Google Maps. So you're going to want to just touch that, and then it loads up that day's directions. And of course, if you look down at the bottom, it says preview. Well, because we're nowhere near the start. But if you touch the three dots that are in the upper right-hand corner, show with the little arrow right there. If you touch those three dots, then it brings up the menu, and the second one down says Edit Stops. So if you touch that, then it opens up and shows you each one of the waypoints. Now, important note for this. You want to scroll up to the top. You see that it's got I, J, K, and L. Well, you have to scroll all the way up to get to M. And I know it's silly that M's at the beginning. Don't ask me. I don't know the answer to that, but it's silly. So, you take your finger and you touch the address on the top one. And you are going to hit the X to the right of it, and you're going to change it to your location. See your location down below the gas station, rest stop. Touch your location, then it's going to recalculate, and of course you would be at your hotel. You're going to be taken off, not this far away. All right, so now we're going to press the done, shown on the middle of the screen there on the right-hand side, where the arrow is. When you press done, it is going to calculate your total time. And you also note at the bottom left of the screen, you now have a start button where it used to say preview. See the arrow. But let's say you need to edit your stops during the day. You've done a couple of the waypoints, you're halfway through the day, and you need to edit your stops because there's no way you want to go all the way back to the beginning. So, to edit, go up to the three dots in the upper right-hand corner again. Once you touch that, we're going to go right back to Edit Stops. And here's the important part. Scroll up again. Go all the way to the top. But this time, the one that says M, your location, we're going to leave that. We're not going to change that at all. The top one needs to say your location at all times, no matter what you're doing. But the second one down, you're going to see right there the X highlighted by the red arrow. If you touch that X, then it's going to recalculate the map. Okay? Scroll back up. And if you need to delete a second waypoint, you can do it again. Okay, so the question is, how do you know how many of the waypoints to delete? Well, the easy answer is you delete all the waypoints that are behind you. If your directions tell you to make a U-turn and go back, then you haven't deleted enough. And, important note, when you hit the X, if you lightly touch, it works a heck of a lot better than if you try to press through the screen. Just a light, gradual touch seems to work great. But yeah, you just always remember to roll up the one that says A, just lightly touch it, it'll delete it. It recalculates, of course, goes back to the bottom. Press the done button, And when you press done, it'll give you the option to start. Okay. The next thing we want to cover is waypoints. And what waypoints are is like many little stops that Google has in there to keep the route where you want it. But unfortunately, I haven't figured out a way to get it to automatically go to the next one. So every time it comes to a waypoint, you're going to have to click next stop.
You have
I'll show
arrived.
that here with a little red arrow. Now, if you don't click next stop within whatever range, it wants to shut off and it's going to make you restart it. So it is definitely in your best interest if you click next stop and let it continue on to the next waypoint. Okay. We hope that this video was helpful to you. We hope that you learned something about Google and using the GPS directions.
And if you see us out on the route and you need some help with the directions, please feel free to stop us and we'll help you out in any way we can. Okay, let's be real. David will help you out.
Yeah, I'll help you. And since you made it this far in the video, we have some bonus footage for you. Here you go. If you or anyone in your family has been emotionally damaged by Google GPS directions, you too may be entitled to a settlement. As we end every one of our videos, thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.